Greetings all. Welcome to Monday Morning Motivation episode number 54, and the topic for today is stay in the game long enough. Today I'm not going to talk about Virat Kohli or MS Dhoni or Cristiano Ronaldo. I'm going to talk about people like you and me. Let me give you 3 examples and 3 pointers. I know a friend who is running a stationery business for last 25 years and he's doing amazingly well. He has built his own buildings. He has 500 plus clients, got some amazing wealth, put his kids in a top school. He's doing really well than many of us in the corporate job. And second is, I know a person who is running a sanitation business, who is doing plumbing work for some of the corporates, some of the hotels, and he's doing it for last 30 years and is one of the best in terms of doing sanitation in 5-star hotels, and created some amazing wealth and giving employment to more than 400 to 500 people every month. And I know a person who is in the training and coaching field. He's doing that for the last 30 plus years, impacting hundreds of people, got some amazing wealth and a lot of positive influence on the society, doing very well. So, what is the common thing across all these 3 people? What is that quality that made them to play the game long enough and shine in that? So, of course, many qualities are there. If I summarize and give you the top 3 things, these are the top 3 I observed from these 3 people, okay? So, what do they do is, point number 1 is they focus persistence over perfection. It's not they do things perfect every time. They try to do their best, but they're very persistent in what they do, okay? They do things, keep doing things, even if the world change. Now the technology change, AI change, they're not mastered or anything, but still they keep doing it, and on the way they learn it, okay? So they consistently do things. They don't change, okay, 3 years this is not good, I'm going to some other industry. No, they're not doing that. Persistence over perfection, point number 1. And second thing is they embrace adaptability. The world is changing. The way, for example, the stationery, the way he delivers good, or for the sanitation, the way he embraces the new products happening in the market and implement to his customers. They are fast in adapting what is happening in the market. They embrace adaptability. They quickly change to the market needs. And the third and most important thing is they cultivate patience. They consistently add customers, and they know today the customer is buying X amount of good from them or service from them. When they give a great service, after 2 years, 3 years, same customers will buy 3x or 5x or 10x from them. So they build the relationship with their existing customers, and after some point in time, sales is not tough for them, okay? So to summarize, my friends, if you want to stay in the game long enough, these 3 qualities are persistence or perfection, you embrace adaptability, and cultivate patience. Thank you for listening. If you like this message, pass it to your friends. Have a great week. See you by next week. Signing off, this is Subramanian Chandramouli, author and sales specialist.